The front panel is 8 gigabit Ethernet ports. Now we also have 2.5G version available for purchase. On the right are 2 onboard gigabit SFP ports, compatible with various systems, and good stability. On the left are 2 USB 3 ports and a console port. Next, let's look inside the machine. There is a PCIe interface here to support expansion devices. Here is the power supply for the rack machine. Here is the processor cooling fan, and there are 2 small fans inside the case. On this side is a DDR3L memory slot, maximum support 8 GB. Here is the mini PCIe Wi-Fi interface and mSATA SSD port. The left mini PCIe interface supports LTE or Wi-Fi module. Here you can place a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. We reserved HDMI port and antenna holes on the rear panel. Now let's take a look at the decibels of the machine after booting. The working decibel is not much different from the surrounding environment. The main introduction is here. Please keep paying attention to us. Next time we will learn about the latest 12th generation Core Firewall, 6 2500M Ethernet ports and 2 10G SFP ports.